Well, today's another journey. We decided to go ahead and install this backup camera, and I started making the connections here. You got your reverse trigger wire, and then you plug in your video cable, and then we're gonna have to run it to the back. Yeah, look at this mess I got going here. I also had another agenda to figure out why the dimming wasn't working on this unit, so got that figured out. Turns out the dimming wire was just not connected fully. Connected it back up, and now it works fine. Alright, so what I did is I took the wire, ran it along here, or along the bottom of the car, back behind the plastic panels there. Then ran it all along the door sill, popped the back seat up, and ran it right into the trunk. Let me pop the trunk in. So it came out at the bottom there. Let's see, right there. Yep. We ran it up through this carpet piece, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna run it along, and then we're gonna run it here, and we're gonna tie it into the factory loom, run it up, and then it'll come out somewhere right there. I'll update you guys once I have it done and show you the way I wired it.